Wood has been part of human life for thousands of years, from simple shelters built by ancient Caucasian men.
But have you ever wondered how a rough tree log from a forest becomes a smooth dining table, a sofa, or a bedroom cabinet in your home?
In today's video, we will take you deep inside the complete furniture manufacturing process, from raw wood logs to high-quality finished furniture.
This journey includes harvesting, cutting, drying, shaping, polishing, and final quality inspection.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy this detailed factory documentary that reveals the hidden world behind wooden furniture production.
The journey begins in managed forests, where trees are grown specifically for furniture production.
Each type of wood has unique strength, grain patterns, and durability.
Common species include oak, teak, pine, maple, walnut, and mahogany.
Before cutting, forestry experts inspect the trees for age, diameter, and health. Sustainable logging ensures that
This protects the environment while meeting industrial demand.
At this stage, the wood is still full of moisture and unsuitable for furniture use.
Each cut is calculated to maximize yield and minimize waste. Before they can be used for furniture, drying is essential.
Fresh wood contains a high percentage of moisture. It can warp, crack, or shrink.
Air drying stacks the wood naturally for weeks or months.
Modern kilns use sensors and automated systems to ensure perfect moisture levels, usually between 6% and 10% for indoor furniture.
See the insect damage right here.
It's too deep.
Agreed. Reject this plank.
High-grade wood is reserved for premium furniture,
while lower grades may be used for internal structures or engineered wood products.
Nothing go to waste. Scrap wood is reused for plywood, MDF, or fuel.
Defective sections are removed, and usable wood is graded into different quality levels.
Design and furniture planning. This is where creativity meets engineering.
every chair, table, or cabinet is designed to balance beauty, strength, and comfort.
Prototypes may be built to test durability before mass production begins.
Wood designs, once approved, are sent to the production floor.
This step determines the furniture's strength and lifespan. Precision is everything. Before finishing, surfaces must be perfectly smooth. Sanding machines and hand sanding remove rough edges and imperfections.
This process enhances the wood grain and prepares it for paint, stain, or polish.
Quality sanding makes the difference between average and premium furniture. Each item goes through strict quality checks: stability, weight tolerance, finish quality, and alignment.
From a simple tree in the forest to beautiful furniture in your home, this journey reflects craftsmanship, technology, and respect for nature. Every piece of wooden furniture carries the story of skilled hands and careful processes.
If you enjoyed this detailed factory documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More amazing manufacturing journeys are coming soon.